Daddy here. Today we are going out on this water in the search of codfish. Come along for the ride and check out my link from last year up there. Last year, 2 boats, not one fish. Will this year be any different? Have a great day, folks.
All right, can we get in there?
Push it off. Okay, how can
Oh, there it is. Any luck?
What's that? Yeah, it did all right.
Good. Every time.
Nothing special big, but
Yeah, that's fine.
We're off out to the fishing grounds. What a day! Just look at this view. Wave, everybody! There it is, the main man, Tara. Today we have with us Dennis, Maitland, and my lovely wife, Susan! Yeah!
The first snowfall. We went out and they wanted to catch a snowflake, right?
Terry, I think you're fishing on the wrong side of the boat. Try the other side, my son. Whoa. Spoke too soon.
Look at that now. We got 3 mackerels. Oh, there you go. There's our bait. Look at that.
We got bait, folks. We got bait.
fishing is the #1 priority. So you just hold them up.
I can't see the red building now. Might be up too far. And then take it up like a foot off the floor.
Holy cow, what a size. Susan, let me show you your fish. Hold them up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
What do you got, Terry? Oh, that's nice.
I think it's a small kill. I heard a couple of times.
What?
You fisherman, is it?
Well, I got some codfish too.
No, I'm just counting.
What's your fisherman? Ugly thing here? That's just why they call them. Look! Woohoo!
Not a big one, but
Oh my gosh, look at the size of them!
they're not big.
Look, sis, look how big it is! Holy
Just a
cow!
second. Me too. You talk to camera too.
Don't want.
Yeah, it's bigger.
You can't get the hook out, Terry, because it's one of them little hooks. I got it. Now, I haven't cracked the gill. Terry, Todd?
It's not a cod. Sculpin. Yeah. Something I'll have to take that off.
Very spongy.
You're heavy.
Oh my God.
Here, Todd, take that off. Can you take that off for me, Todd?
Well, bring it in.
There.
Yeah, but it was. Might have been a skull. Oh, I got something. A lot of work all this.
Bird eye in it?
The bird's gone. And I still got me bait.
7, 8, 9. How many, Jen?
There's 14 there.
We got 14.
Yeah.
20.
We're not 20. We might as well get our 20.
What do you got, Terry?
Sam does something I noticed. He goes like this. Grabs the bag.
It's a cod.
Is it?
Double.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
God, look at that, the biggest one of the day.
The old boat. I might go stay when you guys go away. I might go out and stay with Katie if it's
Yeah.
Oh, that's a dandy.
Yeah.
You still got the same bait.
Yeah, same original bait. I was thinking about changing the bait.
Well, let's do it with 20.
Is that number 20?
Yeah. So I'll take the bait off
Yeah.
Caught it, 20 fish.
and throw it to the seagulls.
Anybody else got bait for us? I can catch it.
Oh, let's throw it over and
Yes, yeah.
Oh
wow.
But you do it in intervals. So like you do 25 at one sitting.
Right,
How many fish we catch, Jen?
20
What's for supper?
fish tacos.
Ooh. Here we go. This is it. The fish are filleted by Terry. Jen and Susan are in there cleaning it up to get it ready for supper. And Terry's gonna bring the fish leftovers back to sea where it came from and feed the gulls. Feed the gulls. Here comes the gulls! Here comes the gulls! Come on, gulls! Here, gulls, 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 gulls! Come on! No, see you later, Terry! Check in with the fish inspectors. How's the fish inspection going? Jen? Fish inspection? Oh yeah, it's good. But now, got it all filleted, the boys do. Ladies are inspecting the final product, which we cut out. Just right there. Come back soon and see the final product.
Mango salsa, mango habanero. There's a little bit of a trick to that, but it's a really nice one.
Here we go, yeah! Fish, fresh fish caught right there. This is what we call from sea to plate. Chaco. Yeah, everybody! Everybody clap!